Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are very happy to see you again.
Yes, if you want to improve your English in a fun and easy way, you are in the right place.
That's right. On this channel, we practice real English conversations that you can use in your daily life.
Today's topic is something very useful for everyone.
Yes, today we will practice daily English conversation.
We will talk like friends, share stories, explain new words, and ask you some questions too.
So relax, listen carefully, and maybe speak with us.
Ready, Paul?
Always ready, Emily.
Introducing the topic. Emily, let me ask you something. Do you speak English every day?
Good question. I try to speak English every day, but sometimes I forget.
That happens to many learners. They study English, but they do not practice speaking daily.
Yes, and speaking is very important. If you don't speak, it is hard to improve.
Exactly. Today we will show you how simple daily conversations can help your English.
And don't worry, we will use simple English so everyone can understand.
Perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
Starting a natural conversation. Emily, let's start with a simple situation.
Okay,
Imagine we meet in the morning.
great. Let's try it.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Paul. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well.
That is a very common conversation.
Yes, many English learners know these sentences, but they do not use them in real life.
Let's explain one phrase.
Good idea.
When someone asks, "How are you?" they are asking about your feelings.
You can answer in many ways.
For example, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm a little tired.
Yes, English conversations are simple.
A small story about daily practice.
Emily, can I tell a short story?
Of course, stories help people learn.
I once had a student named Anna.
What happened with Anna?
Anna studied English for 5 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, but she was afraid to speak.
That's very common.
One day I gave her simple advice.
What advice?
I told her, speak English for 5 minutes every day.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, just 5 minutes.
And what happened?
After 3 months, Anna became very confident.
That's amazing.
Small daily practice can make a big change.
Funny moment. Emily, I have a funny story too.
I love funny stories.
One day I met a man learning English.
Okay,
One day I asked him, "How are you?"
and what did he say?
He said, "I am table."
What?
Yes, I am table.
Maybe he wanted to say, I am stable?
Maybe, or maybe he was nervous.
This shows something important.
What?
It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Explaining useful words.
Let's explain an important word.
Which word?
Practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to improve.
For example, practice speaking, practice listening, practice reading.
The more you practice, the better you become.
Exactly. Real life situation. At a coffee shop. Let's imagine another situation.
Okay,
You are at a coffee shop.
I like coffee already.
Me too.
Let's start.
Hello, Emily. What are you drinking?
I'm drinking coffee.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do. It helps me wake up.
Same here.
This is a natural conversation.
Very simple, but very useful.
Asking the audience.
Now, we want to ask our viewers something.
Yes.
A question for you.
Do you practice English every day?
Or only sometimes.
Think about it.
And maybe start today.
Another mini story. Paul, do you remember your first English conversation?
Yes, and it was very embarrassing.
Tell us.
I was in a restaurant.
Okay.
The waiter asked, "What would you like?"
And what did you say?
I wanted chicken,
That's easy.
but I forgot the word chicken.
Oh no.
So I said, "I want the bird food."
The bird food?
Yes.
What did the waiter do?
He laughed and said, "You mean chicken?"
That's a great story. Vocabulary explanation.
Let's explain another useful word.
Which one?
Embarrassing.
Embarrassing means feeling shy or uncomfortable.
For example, forgetting a word can feel embarrassing.
But remember, everyone makes mistakes. Emily, what is the biggest problem for English learners?
Fear.
Fear of mistakes.
Yes,
But mistakes are teachers.
exactly.
Every mistake helps you learn something new.
So don't be afraid.
Daily conversation practice example.
Let's practice another simple conversation.
Good idea. Paul, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the park.
Nice. What did you do there?
I walked and listened to music.
That sounds relaxing.
It was.
Simple questions like these are great for daily English.
Asking viewers again. Now, another question for you.
Yes.
What did you do yesterday?
Try to answer in English.
You can pause the video and practice.
Emotional moment. Paul, do you know something interesting?
What?
English learning connects people.
That's true.
You can meet friends from different countries,
You can travel more easily.
and you understand different cultures.
Language opens doors.
Motivational advice.
If you want to improve English, remember 3 things.
Let's share them. Number 1, practice daily. Number 2, don't fear mistakes. Number 3, enjoy learning.
Learning should be fun.
Let's quickly review today's lesson.
Today we practiced daily English conversations.
We talked about simple greetings.
We shared funny stories.
We explained useful words like practice and embarrassing.
We asked you some questions.
Remember, even small conversations can improve your English.
And that's all for today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
If you liked this video, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.
Also, we want to hear from you.
Yes, write a comment below.
Tell us, do you practice English every day?
Or tell us about your funniest English mistake.
We read your comments and love hearing your stories.
Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep learning English.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.